In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write all your copy for your business. If you're like me and you're not particularly great at the written word, I'm going to show you how an automated AI can generate your replies, your emails, the copy for your website, sales letters, newsletters, everything you need, and it will do it so quickly. So even if you are good at this stuff, this will make your life quicker anyway. So go to pnuk.co/ChatGPT. This will be on the Punk forum, and you can sign up. It is 100% free, and we jump in and we can start a conversation. So we're going to ask the AI. Artificial intelligence has got thousands of years of information in the background, and it's going to write something for us. So what do I want? I want to write an introductory email on a cold lead asking if they need anything for my services. So I work for a security company. I work a lot with security companies. So let's say write an introduction email for my security. Spelt it wrong. Security. Oh man. Security company. Still spelt it wrong, haven't I? Punk security. Asking if a new lead would like any security ideas. List some security. Why is security such a problem? Products in the email, right? So we'll just fire that off. Let's see what it comes up with. Hello. I hope you will find this email well. My name is, and I am the owner of PNUK Security, a local security company here in City. I noticed you recently inquired about security ideas for your home or business, and I wanted to reach out to see if you would like to learn more about security products. At Punk Security, we offer a wide range of security solutions, CCTV cameras, burglar alarms. We pride ourselves on providing top quality products. Thank you, Punk Security. Yours sincerely. Done, right? So that is an introductory sales letter that you can just copy, paste, uses your lead source, edit it as you need. You might want to say, right, okay, more specific, just about camera systems. My name is Paul, and I am in Doncaster, PNUK Security. Security. My computer keyboard must be doing that. I'll blame that. Is a company name. So let's try this, right? So let's tack it down. Hello, Lee. My name is Paul, and I'm the owner of Punk Security, a local security company based in Doncaster. I wanted to reach out, so it's going to do the same thing, but just talk about CCTV systems this time, right? So you can set this up. Please write the same, but a follow-up email 1 week later. Hello, I hope this email found you well. This is a follow-up to my previous email about CCTV cameras. Right? Whatever it might be, you're going to tinker with it, you're going to edit it, but look at the power that it's doing and speeding up your whole process. So let's say the customer replies, I already have a CCTV system. Why should I bother upgrading? Please write a reply from my company to a question. Why should I upgrade my CCTV system? It works fine, although 5 years old. Right? Thank you for reaching out to Punk Security with your question. If it is understandable that you may be hesitant to upgrade your CCTV system if it's currently working fine. However, there are several reasons to working on an upgrade. Firstly, technology is constantly evolving, and it is likely newer CCTV. Like, it is nuts what this can do. It can answer your customers' queries without knowing anything about the product. Right? It might be a bit too generic. It might be a bit not enough information, but it's going to do the bulk of the legwork. Now, so then you've got a website, right? Like me, on punk.com. I have a few articles. 51 golf YouTube videos. Guess what wrote this? ChatGPT, please write this in a article for my blog. Right? CCTV camera systems are popular choices for business and homeowners looking into improving and security product. But what happens when your CCTV starts to age and starts to upgrade? Firstly, it's important to consider age of your current CCTV system. Technology is constantly evolving, and it's likely to be that newer CCTVs, blah, 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 right? Awesome. Power. So now you've got a blog post. And it's going to keep, you can say to it, shorten this, simplify it, talk in different terms. I can say, write a tweet about this blog post. Just posted a new blog on the benefits of upgrading your CCTV system. Check it out for tips on when to consider upgrade to how it can improve your security. Create a Twitter thread on this subject. Right, thread the benefits of upgrading your CCTV system. 1, 2. So these are all separate tweets in a thread that it's creating. So you're now going to, because there's a good thing on Twitter to create a 6-parter or something like that. And now you're giving all the information you need, and you haven't said anything really other than giving it prompts, right? So yeah, the power is crazy. The things it can do. I actually should have wrote down more things. I will be doing more things on ChatGPT. So if you go to PNUK, the link will have been in the bottom. ChatGPT. What I will do is I will put an actual, I think this deserves a full category and full training. And a lot of people are doing videos on this, so I don't have to do all the training videos. But look into ChatGPT, play with it. Look, go and put do a new chat. What we're coming into the new year. Write me a diet plan for Jan 2023. Okay. Write me 1,000-calorie a day diet plan for next week. It's telling me other stuff into it above. Go on, stop. It's actually just inspiring me to do. Holy crap. Yeah. Honestly, I get lost in here for hours if I... let's stop. Okay, robot. Don't tell me how to get fit too much. Yeah, but as your business, type in ideas for motivating staff in Jan 2023. There are many ways to motivate staff in the workplace. Set clear goals, expectations, helping employees understand to provide opportunities for growth and development, recognize and reward good performance, foster positive work culture. Yeah, I think you're going to get lost in ChatGPT and the power. If things are taking you too long to write things, to do things, to understand things, then get on this. You know, I recommend if you come to pnuk.com, there's business training. Pnuk.com. There's business training in the PNUK forum, but I also recommend Zoho One. And if we ask explain Zoho One. Zoho One is a comprehensive suite of business applications that provide a variety of tools and features to help business streamline their operations and improve productivity. It includes a range of applications for customers. It's the best deal online. It's the best thing for your company in 2023. 40 plus apps. Go over and check out Zoho One. It is a separate forum because it needs its own category for all the different apps that it can do. Go to z1trial.com and learn more about that. But dive into ChatGPT, ask your questions. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Paul, PNUK Punk out.